Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is speech as a washing machine for fancy dress in English. Please subscribe my channel. Good morning respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am presenting a role of washing machine. Hi, I am a washing machine. I clean clothes. I spin to wash away dirt. I use water and soap to clean. I have different settings for clothes. I make clothes fresh and bright. I save time and energy. I help keep clothes soft. I can wash many clothes at once. I am important in every home. I make laundry fun and easy. Thank you.